Eddie, what's happening? What you got going on today?
Going skydiving.
Skydiving, that's what that's about. All right, any special occasion for this?
Nope, just for fun.
All right, well, let's go have some fun. You ready?
Ooh, yeah, let's go. Woo!
Heck yeah, woohoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah, here we go. Woohoo! got a good grip, right?
Yep.
Guess what? You're flying. Woo! There you go. Give us a good turn in there. Yeah. Alright, you just went skydiving tell me, how are you feeling?
Awesome.
Well, you did absolutely amazing. What was your favorite part?
Kind of the free fall.
You like the free fall?
It was really cool,
Free
yeah.
fall was pretty sick. You
It's cold a little
absolutely
bit.
killed that one. That was so good. All right, well, is it something you'd ever do again?
Oh yeah.
That's what we want to hear. That's what we want to hear. Yeah, thank you so much for jumping with us at Colorado Springs Skydive up top.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Thank you.
Woo!